You walk into the room. There are balloons, music, snacks, and people smiling. You hear someone laugh and say, "Surprise!" And suddenly, all eyes turn to you, or maybe you're the one saying it to someone else. Birthday parties are supposed to be fun and happy, but if you're not confident in English, they can also be awkward. What do you say when you arrive? How do you give a gift or say happy birthday? In a natural way? What if someone asked you to say a few words or join a game? Don't worry, you don't need to be a party expert. You just need a few simple, friendly phrases and a little confidence. Let's talk about how to enjoy a birthday party in English without stress. Let's start at the door. You walk in and the birthday person sees you. Maybe they're a close friend. Maybe just someone from work. What do you say? The simplest and most natural greeting is, "Happy birthday." Say it with a smile. Say it clearly. That alone is enough to start a good moment. If you're giving a gift, hand it over and say, "This is for you," or "I hope you like it." You don't need a speech, just warm, friendly words. If it's a surprise party and someone else is entering, you can whisper, "Shh, they're coming." And when the birthday person arrives, everyone shouts, "Surprise!" Even if you've never been to a surprise party before, this is one of the easiest and most fun expressions to join in. During the party, you'll probably talk to other guests. This is where small talk comes in. People might say, "How do you know birthday person's name?" You can answer, "We work together," or "We went to school together." They might ask, "Did you bring a gift?" You can say, "Yes, just something small," or "Yeah, I brought a card and some chocolate." If you don't know what to say, you can always ask questions. How do you know them? Is this your first time here? Did you try the cake yet? These simple questions make you sound social, even if you're shy. Yeah, let's talk about food and drinks. At most birthday parties, there's food. And usually, someone offers you something. They might say, "Would you like something to drink?" You can answer, "Yes, please. I'll have some juice." Or, "Water would be great, thank you." If you don't want anything, say, "I'm good for now, thanks." Or, "Maybe later." Don't worry about sounding perfect. Politeness and a smile go a long way. Later, someone might ask, "Did you try the cake?" You can say, "Not yet, but it looks amazing." Or, "Yes, it's delicious." Even short comments like, "This is so good," or "Yum," are enough to enjoy the moment and join the conversation. Sometimes at parties, people give toasts, short speeches to celebrate. If someone asked you to say something, keep it simple. You might say, "I just want to say happy birthday. I hope this year brings you lots of happiness and success." Or, "It's great to be here. You're a wonderful friend. I'm lucky to know you." Then raise your glass and smile. That's it. If you're not ready to speak, it's okay to just clap and smile when others talk. Let's talk about birthday messages in English. If you're writing a card, keep it short and friendly. Here are some ideas. Wishing you a day full of love, laughter, and cake. Hope your birthday is as amazing as you are. Have the best day ever. You deserve it. Happy birthday. Cheers to another great year. You can add something personal like, "I'm so glad we met. Thanks for always being there. You make life more fun." It doesn't need to be long, just real. Now, let's talk about leaving the party. When it's time to go, always say goodbye to the birthday person. You can say, "Thanks for having me. Happy birthday again. It was a great party. I had a really nice time." If you want to stay in touch, say, "Let's hang out again soon. Let's grab coffee sometime." These little phrases keep the connection going, even after the party ends. And finally, what if you can't go to the party? You can still send a message. Here are some natural ways to say happy birthday from far away. "Sorry I can't be there, but I'm thinking of you. Hope you have a great day. Sending hugs and birthday wishes from your city. Hope your birthday is full of fun and cake." You can send a text, an email, or even a short voice note. You don't need perfect English to enjoy a birthday party. You just need a smile, a kind word, and a few phrases that come from the heart. The next time you walk into a room full of balloons and music, you'll know what to say. You'll greet, you'll connect, you'll celebrate. Because now, English isn't stopping you from joining the fun. It's helping you enjoy it more. Practice out loud. Try different styles. And soon, it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.